Hello everyone. Till now we have finished 6 questions of exercise 1.2. Today we will take up the last question of the same exercise. Let's start the question. There is a circular path. एक circular path है. चलिए solve करते चलते हैं. There is a circular path. Sonia takes 18 minutes while Ravi takes 12 minutes to drive one round. Okay. Suppose they start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. Fine. So the question is, एक circular path है and there are two people, Sonia and Ravi. Fine. Sonia है and Ravi है. Whereas Sonia is taking 18 minutes and Ravi is taking 12 minutes. ठीक है? To take whole round of this circular path, and one more condition is given that they both are starting from the same point. दोनों same point से start कर रहे हैं. Means Sonia and Ravi दोनों same point से start कर रहे हैं. Move करना उनकी वो time अलग अलग ले रहे हैं, but they are moving in the same direction. For example, if Sonia is moving in this direction, then Ravi is also moving in the same direction. Fine. So they both start at the same point पे start कर रहे हैं. At the same time they are starting at the same time and go in the same direction, and they are moving in the same direction. So this much is given in the question, and what they have asked, पूछा क्या है, after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point. कितने minutes बाद ये starting point पे ही मिलेंगे. Suppose this is the starting point, so they have asked कि कितने minute बाद they will meet at the starting point. So for this, what we need to do, we need to find the LCM. So they meet after, we will have to write like this, they meet after will be equals to the LCM of the time taken by both of them. Okay, so this is how we will do it. Do the solution. They will meet after. For finding out the time after which they will meet, we will get by finding the LCM. So start finding the LCM. Okay. So 18 can also be written as 2 into 3 square, whereas 12 can be written as 2 into 2, that is 2 square into 3. So this is the LCM. Okay. Now अब LCM निकालने के लिए क्या करते हैं, हमने पहले की एक्सरसाइजेस में और इस एक्सरसाइज में भी LCM फाइंड आउट करना सीखा हुआ है. हमें नंबर्स लिख लेने होते हैं, प्राइम नंबर्स जो होते हैं. सो लेट्स राइट द नंबर एज इट इज, एज दे आर गिवन. उसके बाद हाईएस्ट पावर लेनी होती है. यहाँ पे 2 की पावर 1 है, यहाँ पे 2 की पावर 2 है, तो हाईएस्ट पावर क्या हुई, 2 हुई. तो 2 की पावर 2 and highest power of 3 in both these cases is 2. Again we will take the highest power, that is 2. So from here we will get the LCM, that is 4 into 9, which is equals to 36. So we have got the answer, 36 minutes. They will meet at the starting point after 36 minutes. Okay. So this was the solution of question number 7. In our next videos, we will be taking up more questions of the next exercise, and the next exercise is very important from the point of view of board examination. We have to rationalize the numbers, और उस टाइप के questions बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं आपके board exam में. So stay tuned for more solutions of NCERT and keep studying. Thank you.